In today's video, we're going to be talking all about the 55 times 5 manifestation method. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. We're going to be doing another law of attraction manifestation video, and this video is all about a new method that I just recently came across. It's called the 55 times 5 method. It's very, very easy. It takes 5 days. And it's really fun actually. The success stories are incredible. So what you're going to need first of all is a notebook. This is the notebook that I've been using for a few months now, and I write everything down in here. So what is 55 times 5 method? I saw a few videos here on YouTube about the 55 times 5 method, but nothing really just explained to me in a way that I could completely understand it. So I also read some blogs, and then finally I tried it for myself and I saw results really, really quickly. So what do? Basically, what you're going to do is you're going to write whatever you want to manifest in present tense 55 times a day for 5 days. And so that's what I did here. I started right here, and then you see, like, it's going to take a while for you to do it, but it's so well worth it. And what I like to do is I like to use a lot of color. So just for me, it becomes creative and it becomes fun. Whenever you're manifesting something, you want it to be fun and creative and inspiring, and you want to have fun doing it because it increases the vibration. When you are manifesting something and your vibration is high, the chances of you attaining that thing is really, really high. So make sure that you're having fun with this and you're using colors, stickers, whatever makes you happy, and you're doing it with a high vibration, you're doing it fun, and you're doing it like, don't take it so seriously, because when you take something too seriously, you have an attachment to it and it just takes a lot longer to manifest. So basically, say you want to attract $50. So what you're gonna do is write, I manifested $50 in an easy, effortless way, and you're going to write that 55 times. And you want to make it into your own words, and you want to make it into something that you believe. So you don't want to just go right in and write, I manifested $1 million. You want to start off small so you build your confidence. So every time you see what you're manifesting, every time your manifestation comes to life, you're building your confidence. And the more and more you build your confidence, the bigger and bigger things you can manifest. So if you want to attract an apartment, say you want to attract your perfect apartment, you would write, I now live in my most perfect apartment, or I am so grateful and thankful to have found my perfect apartment. And you're going to write that down 55 times a day for 5 days. And you're going to start to see the energy shift, and you're going to start to see, like, ideas will come to you, opportunities will come to you, people will come to you. Somebody could just pop up and be like, I need a roommate for this really gorgeous apartment in this really upscale place, or whatever. Like, the opportunity will come to you in so many different ways. And how this works is there is an insane power when you write something down, because you're making a definite decision, and then you're writing it down. The act of writing something down is magic in itself, because you are taking something that was in your mind, a thought, and then you're writing that down and you're putting it into tangible form, something you could touch and read and see. So that is like a magic ritual right there that you're doing. So doing that 55 times for 5 days, it's very, very powerful, and it changes a lot of energy, shifts a lot of energy. And another reason that it works is because you are putting all of your attention and all of your focus into whatever you want to manifest, because you're writing it over and over and over again. You're getting into the thought. That thought is dominating your mind. If you guys know the 17-second method of Abraham Hicks, when you think a thought for 17 seconds, you create momentum. You create this momentum and this shift, and you create like a vibration. And so the more and more you focus on that thought, the more and more you're attracting similar thoughts, and then before you know it, you're attracting more and more things that are related to that thought. So that's how it works. This is a really good way to change your thought process, and it's also a really, really good way to attract things into your life. I hope this video was easy to understand, and also Follow me on Instagram. I will leave my name right here so that you can share your success stories with me there. Stay tuned and click the bell so that you are always notified every time I upload a video, because I have a lot of videos like this coming up in the future. I also have a herb series and a crystal series talking about different herbs and crystals and oils too, that you can use on your skin, your body, your hair, and not only that, but magically and spiritually you could use it to attract different things. I have all those videos on my channel. And also, if you guys are interested in how I color my hair, how I cut my hair, I have those videos too. I have DIYs, because those are really highly requested videos of mine too. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!